Okay, so we just found another giant abandoned house.
Not like last video, like the one from last video. We kind of factored.
It's the one from last video that we found, but we're actually exploring it today.
That thing was closed.
Yeah, it was.
Dude, that was broken open?
Yeah.
That was good, man.
And it looks like a factory because there's just one wide door over here. I don't know what it is.
It's the McDonald's factory.
But the roof is ripped off and everything.
Hey, let's go around to the side and try to find an entrance.
There's an entrance right there.
Yeah, but there's the neighbors. Hey, don't go that way. Watch out for nails.
But yeah, it is a burnt down factory looking. Oh shoot, it's bigger on this side.
Oh my god.
It looks like a burnt down factory kind of thing.
And there's most likely gonna be a snake in here.
Oh, definitely. We're lucky that there's not one in the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a giant hole sledgehammered into the wall right there. Just goes all the way through.
It's a pipe hole, looks like.
Go look in it.
No. Could be a kitten or...
Oh, look. Yo!
Yo, there's an entrance right there.
Look at that! Wait. Yo.
It's crazy. But, oh my gosh.
Look how big it is. It's so dark, too. Look at that.
On the other side so we have a clear exit, or you want to jump it?
Look at that.
I'll jump it.
Let's have a clear exit.
No, I can jump it and not you can hand me it.
No, we're going to go to the clear exit. Because if there's something in there or a snake, I don't want to jump off like a 3-foot cliff.
A cliff? Holy crap.
But this is ginormous.
Oh, dude.
We're about to go inside of it and explore it, so. They do have one, but it's not pointed this way. It's pointed towards the window. Like,
yeah, I'll go first.
we are in here. It is ginormous, and we don't know what we're going to find in here.
If I see somebody, you know.
Oh, yeah, I'm not going in that room. I am not going in that room.
We have to. We have to. What is that?
It's a ladder. To what?
There's a bird in there.
Is there actually?
Either that's your net here. Oh. There's birds.
Yeah, you can take my phone and go in this room. I'm not going in there, though.
You got it.
I do not have that kind of gut to go into that room.
Oh,
it's pitch black in a tiny room.
How about we do it last? And if I say it's okay,
okay, I'll let you go in there and explore. But there's a door behind it, too.
Yes, great part.
So we'll explore that extremely scary part last. Look, this is where the roof fell in. Oh, it's a toilet.
Oh my god, it's still working toilet. Hey.
Wait, see if it's still working. Flush it. See if it's still working. Go try to flush it. See if it's still working.
I'm trying not to step on the snake or something.
Ah.
Nah, it's clogged with bricks.
Is it actually?
It's clogged with bricks.
What the heck?
Sucks.
Probably from up there.
Someone made this.
Huh? Oh, that's creepy, bro. That's creepy.
I'm trying not to step on zone stuff because I know there's gonna be something under it.
Yo, look in there. Yo, that was made. That little fort thing.
Over there. It's like water droplets, but there's no water running over here. I'm dead serious. I heard something.
If anybody's in here, make yourself known.
If you're a cat, meow. I'm dead serious. I heard something. Is that silly string? Oh, it's chalk thing.
Is it orange?
Let's go.
Someone couldn't buy real spray paint, so they bought chalk.
Hey,
Oh, there's an entrance right there that we could have went through. The wall split open.
wait.
Oh, this is creepy.
FU gang 4LG.
There's a lot of graffiti on here. There's 2 different 4LGs. Probably like the name of a gang or something.
That could be it.
Joseph, come here. There's like an umbrella there. Right there. Look. See?
Okay. What the heck? Dude, someone put that there. Oh no, it's part of the roof, I think. Let's go. You go through that one, I'll go through this one. Okay, I'll go through that one.
You heard that noise as soon as you said that. You actually?
Dude, there's a Ohio and there's XLA. It's pretty easy to get into here, sorry.
Oh, it's so dark in here. Yo, someone could be up there.
Also, look.
What's another bathroom?
Someone can just make it. Hey, that bathroom's concrete vibes are there.
Yeah.
That was a car. Okay, you went to that bathroom? I checked out the last bathroom, so I'm real.
That bathroom, there's nothing really to do. There's only a sink in there.
Hey, you want to lift that with me?
Heck no.
Sure.
Yeah.
Could be a snake.
Yeah, that's exactly why I don't want to lift it.
No, I was gonna break my finger here a little bit. Yeah, I'm dead ass.
I just heard something. What was that? Yo, what was that? Oh! Please, that was a snake.
That was my snake. That was a fucking beast, bro. I swear.
Yo, what was that?
Dude, I'm
We just jumped off like a 5 foot, just drop to get out of there.
I thought you said we're not doing that.
Well, we had no other choice. It was either go back through that or just jump off.
Dude, I almost broke my arm doing that. My arm's moving out. Look. Oh, yeah, bro.
So yeah, that was fun.
Yeah,
So we built up enough nerve to come back after whatever that was just hissed at us. And we have a stick just in case if we have to hit something.
I can swing. I'm a baseball player.
Yeah, he's a baseball player, so he knows how to swing. So yeah, let's try this out. It could have been a snake too, so we don't know. Snakes hiss.
And they're kind of fast.
Yeah. If a snake's here, bro, I'm ditching you. I'm tripping you and running.
No. Dude, I'm just trying to help you.
The bathroom's right there.
What is this?
Yeah, the bathroom's right there. That way I heard it.
You want to go around into the exit like we were?
Sure.
Dude, is there a balcony?
I don't know, but that room is sketching me out, bro. That one.
We're going to that one.
No, I'm not going to that one.
It's such a tussy, bro. I said tussy. You're a tussy.
Dunk.
Keep going.
Yeah, I'm
Go all the way over here.
You know, those 5 seconds that we were gone. That's if it was a snake, it could be under any of these. Yo, I just heard it again. I just heard the rustling again in the bathroom.
If it's not a snake, it's something bigger. We jumping out the window.
It was
again.
loud. Something big walking around in there. Oh, I'm sketched out.
Hey, let's go over to this balcony. Oh.
Side balcony. We're jumping out of here if we see or hear anything. Right there.
Don't
That's where we
run and
jumped out
jump
of
when you
the
see it. Tell me so I can swing.
If anything's in there, make yourself known. Yeah, something's still in there. I heard it rustling around.
I mean, we have to go towards it.
You can go towards it. I'm staying right here.
Fuck. Because you want a clear exit.
Yep.
You want me to be behind you. You know, if that thing does chase us, it's going out the window with us.
Most likely, but we have an advantage.
How? If it's just naked, catch up.
Sure. You're going to have to run backwards. Swing. Show us your swing. Show us your best swing, Joseph.
Caught up here when
Show us your best swing.
Where that's all.
I heard dripping right here, bro.
Yeah.
Right around this corner.
Keep your eyes on that.